Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with my beautiful friend, EUNICE. Say hi everyone. So we're actually going to review the Morphe 2 foundation in Hint of Ginger. It's one of their new collaborations that just came out. And it's supposed to be like a sheer to medium coverage. You can see it here. So it's supposed to be like a Morphe 2 foundation, but we're also reviewing the Jacly'S Volume 2 palette, which, my gosh guys, I know you guys already saw my unboxing for this. It was my, I believe, first unboxing. There goes the plastic. It was excited, and these are the beautiful colors that we're using today. I don't know if you guys can see, but they're really nice big eyes, so obviously I'm going to take a picture of them. You can call. I swear my friends always call and they say they can't say a word. And they call on my channel. Not a small fan. I'm the fan. So we're going to use the Maybelline New York Instant Age Rewind Eraser. And that's in multi-use concealer. So but it's the Wet n Wild contour stick in the color 806. And my son is currently playing with my Nathan. So we don't want to contour her forehead too much. I actually feel like we want to brighten it up a little bit. But we're going to go around her hairline. I like to go around the natural hairline because I feel like those are the areas that we want to make sure we blend out. So now we're going to set her face up with this nice powder. There we go. I'm just blending out the concealer just a little bit more. Like I said, you're always going to see me blending the face because I feel like, I don't know, I like that smooth, natural skin look. But if you want a full coverage look, I got you, you know? But I know my friend, and I know she's never used to wearing makeup, so we obviously don't want to overwhelm her all in one go. And we're gonna get ELF translucent powder. We're gonna pour it on the lid. And let that sit there. People are like, girl, what are you doing to my face? I look like a cake. Well, we're baking you, so get used to it. But now we're gonna put some concealer on our eyes. And for this, I want to use a brush. So she's not really used to using colors, so she's scared, you guys. There's colors on here, purple, pink, peaches. So we're gonna start with a neutral. We're gonna start with a neutral because I don't want to scare her too much like my other friends. Perfection. And we're actually gonna start packing on the other end. Orange pink, because make sure you can take it on. And it's called Positive Pink. So we're gonna put this onto the brush, and she's gonna be okay, guys. Pray for her. So we're gonna close our eyes, look down thingy, and this is gonna go right. So we're gonna mix these two colors because I can't decide. We're gonna mix Lolly Mama and we're gonna mix Tipsy Girl. Lolly Mama and Tipsy Girl. And we'll start from the better. I'm gonna go with the same brush that I have the neutral color brush, and I'm just gonna go dab into the yellow. It says no joke. The no joke yellow. So let's see if it's true. Let's see if this yellow is no joke. Trying to see if this yellow is gonna come through right now. What? Well, it's true. So now we're gonna blend with this yellow on the top. And it's just okay. So I'm gonna use my finger first just to see how it works with my finger, the glitter, and then we're gonna go with the packing brush. Go with this color and that color here. Not my my journey. Yeah, that's not her journey, guys. But we're gonna take her there today. We're gonna use this. We're gonna go to Tipsy Girl, which is like a hot pink. Tipsy Girl. Tipsy Girl right here. Luminous Solar Highlighter from Milano. Anything? It's alright. I think this is from Maybelline. I'm not sure. Strip Lash Adhesive from KISS. Now that one guys, from the outer corner. You can see, oh my god. It's so funny, you guys.
Ah, you're cute!
You look so cute! I told you! They scared of color, I don't know why. Oh, she put her hair down. Oh, yeah. Could be stuff or something for the boot to dry a little bit. But so far it's on. So now what we're gonna do is now we're gonna put the mascara. That made my skin feel very good. She's like feeling herself. I love to see my friends happy at the end of my video. So let's get closer and let's take a nice look at the makeup look. Look how nice. Let's look at the eyes now. Close your eyes open. Very good. It's a blend of colors, but I still wanted to keep it neutral because she's scared of colors. But you can still see the shimmer, you can still see the pink, and you see how you can't see, look up real quick. You see how the bottom looks darker? Almost, yeah, like a dark line. That's the purple right there. And yeah, her lip is very neutral. and this is the finished look. So thank you guys so much for watching. The makeup counter per se, but if you do anything else and anybody else, just let me know. Thank you guys.